Good morning, students. Let us continue our same chapter, How do organisms reproduce, with the new topic, contraception. Contraception means pregnancy prevention of conception. In other words, prevention of unwilling pregnancy is called conception. Nowadays, it is possible to limit the size of family through various means. It requires the use of methods which prevent the fertilization of ova and its implantation in the uterus. There are several ways by which conception means pregnancy can be prevented. But here we take four methods of contraception. First one is natural method of contraception. Second one is mechanical method of contraception. Third one is chemical method of contraception. And fourth one is surgical method of contraception. Now, let us explain these methods one by one. First method is natural methods of contraception. If copulation is avoided for a few days at 3 days of the first day of ovulation, then no pregnancy will be occur. It means if sexual intercourse is avoided when the egg is released from the ovary for about 3 days, then no pregnancy will be occur. Another natural method of contraception is coitus interruptus, means withdrawing the penis from the vagina before ejaculation to prevent pregnancy, but it requires self-discipline and self-control. So these are two natural ways which prevent pregnancy. Now, another method is mechanical method of contraception that is used to prevent the passage of semen to the fallopian tube to prevent pregnancy. So there are three methods of contraception. First one mechanical method is condom or nirod. Second one is diaphragm or cervical cap. Third one is intrauterine contraceptive devices, IUCDs. Now, first mechanical methods include condoms or nirod. Condom is a thin rubber tube that is worn around the penis before sexual intercourse so that ejaculate collected in this tube do not discharge into the vagina of the female. Second one is diaphragm or cervical cap. This is a cervical cap. It is a hemispherical rubber cap that is used to cover the cervix of female. It prevents the entry of sperm into the cervix. Another one is intrauterine contraceptive devices, IUCDs or IUDs. These are plastic, metal or combination of two devices that are inserted in the uterus to prevent pregnancy. It includes copper T. This is a copper T. Now look into the diagram. This is a female reproductive tract. Now this is a copper T that is inserted inside the uterus to prevent pregnancy. Now third method is chemical method. Here we use two chemicals. First one is spermicide and second one is oral contraception or pills. Spermicides. These are spermicide 4, sponge, gels and spermicidal jellies. So these are injected into the vagina before copulation or sexual intercourse that kill the sperm and avoid fertilization. Now, oral contraception or pills. These are synthetic hormones that are taken orally to prevent ovulation in females. Now, last one is surgical method. It is also known as method of sterilization. It is safe and permanent in long run. It also includes two methods, vasectomy and tubectomy. Vasectomy. This method is performed in males. In this method, small portion of sperm duct is cut into two halves, and each half is tied with a thread or some another ways to prevent the sperms from coming out of the semen. Now, tubectomy. It is performed in females. In this process, a small portion of the fallopian tubes is also cut into two halves, and these two halves later on tied with a thread. This prevents the sperms to meet the egg. In tubectomy, fallopian tube is cut into two halves and each half is tied one by one to prevent fertilization. So this is how we finish our topic. I hope you understood it. Thank you.